Good morning, all. Today is the 2nd of May, 2016. I took my first trade here today. Got in at $46, two contracts, but this is kind of violating my trend as your friend rule, so I'm gonna keep this one tight. Actually, I really didn't mean to enter a short here, but I did somewhat similar to what happened last Friday, where it put out a fake false high and then sold off. So I'm gonna give this one a shot, but at least let me see. I'm already moved. Yeah, I've moved 10 ticks or past 10 ticks already. So worst case, I'll just break even if anything. My first target is 45.80. Um, I re I recoded my purple line and went ahead and put out several major lines here. So it looks kind of confusing at the moment, but all these thick lines are basically projected targets and moves, so I'm just gonna mess with it today. I actually split it on this screen here. There's a manual entry and this was automatic calculation here. So anyways, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna let the other contract run, and then the other contract I'll just take, a quick profit if I can. Actually, you know, um, let's see here. Um, let's see. I'll take one, I guess, right now. Just make 11 ticks, and then I'll just let the other one run. I think is what I'm gonna do. So I took a 10 tick target there. So let me see. I'll give this one 5 tick risk. If anything, it's still gonna be a winner. Let me take this one out, and so I'm already profitable for today. I'm just gonna wait for this thing to see if it hits any of this purple line. I'm curious. So at least this one right here, 45.13, seemed to be a good one. So let's see if I can get 45.13 out of this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my target there. I'll put it at 45.15. So I'm just gonna let this one loose, and as you can see, my stop is way above here. So there's seems like a resistance area there. So if this thing shoots up, um, I'm gonna I'm just gonna ditch it. So anyhow, I'll come back. Okay, just a quick update here. Went ahead and moved my stop to 45.99. Like I said, this was a more of an aggressive trade here. I didn't know if it were which direction it's going to be. I just thought short would be a better move today, just because. And the daily is probably looking into maybe retest some of these lows. So that's the reason why I took it. On the other portion of our analysis here, let me get the other chart. Looking at the dollar, very very interesting here. Looking at the monthly, and looks like it's going to test these lows. So I'm anticipating a bounce around this area, but there is no support in sight. Besides measuring using fib tool to measure its move. The 50% retracement is looking like a place for support, because it was once a resistance. So let's see if it bounces at these levels. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that. So around this area right here, maybe even the 70% retracement around this level. It's never price movement. It's never that kind. So I would more likely take this piece rather than the other one. points there. So gold continues to rally. I guess because of dollar collapse. So oil should be continue to go up, but it's not going to go up every day. Well, we have seen that before. The price declines almost every day. Kind of like this move right here. So I was just thinking today things are going to get priced in, and it might move on another direct or the other direction here. So we'll wait for the price to reveal itself. But in the meantime, I'll pause the video. Alright guys, I just want to give you an update. I've just been holding on to this trade here. Moved it to break even now. It's up about, the open one, it's up about 60 ticks. And I'm just gonna hoping that it breaks this right here and sell back off. So anyways, not much really going on. I just need to getting close to heading to work, so maybe I'll just really don't want to move it because I'm trying this new strategy of just really enter and just really move your stop when it's appropriate and just don't touch it again and see what happens. Because like I said, I've been noticing, you know, these lines are holding pretty good when it comes to target. So and these are based on statistical study that I've developed in the past, I don't know, a few months now. So anyways, I'll pause the video, I'll come back and just show you a quick or I'll give you an update as it develops. If it doesn't get there by the time I get ready to work, I'll just close it manually. So anyways, I'll come back. Alright guys, well, I got distracted. I was getting ready for work. My target on the last one was 45.15, and obviously that got filled because it went as low as 45.08. So I took this, I took a target here, 45.13. This one readjusted, but I think you might even go as low as 44.75. But you saw my target, didn't move it, so I think that was pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this one. So that's it for me today. I 2 contracts, 1 trade today, or at least 1 entry today. Peeled one out at like what, 11 ticks, and the other one at wow, that's almost so. I think that was almost a whole dollar there. Was 15, maybe 15 ticks away from a whole dollar. So anyhow, that's it for me. Hope you learned something from this. I guess let me reiterate my my thought process as I was going into today's trading. This was the key right here. It's been running up, you know, few days in a row already, and the 5th week is up, so I knew there is going to be a chance for a pullback, especially if you're running into this area of supply. So so my thought today was, let's get short today. So and then I was just trying to find an opportunity, and I saw that same pattern, or at least last Friday, false breakout. So anyways, that's it. That was all the thinking, and the rest was just, you know, really babysitting the trade. And I thought I was gonna get taken out with this candle. I was trying to rethink my trade, just because, you know, I mean, this is kind of a bullish pattern here, thinking it'll go up, but this candle pretty much confirmed that. So anyhow, that's it for me. Hope you all have a good one. If you learned something for this trade or you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Again, I thank you for taking the time watching the videos. Until then, I'll see you on the next one. Good day.